We're not ready for the next epidemic. If anything kills over 10 million people in the next few decades, it's most likely to be a highly infectious virus.
It's a race to stop a deadly virus from spreading. The new coronavirus first appeared in the city of Wuhan in central China. Patients had fever, coughs, and breathing problems.
Do we know really the exact scale of the problem?
No.
Over 81,000 cases of the virus have been confirmed worldwide.
More than 300,000 cases of COVID-19 have now been reported to WHO.
In Italy, nearly 800 people have died within the last 24 hours, bringing the total of deaths there to 4,825.
The spiralling numbers of deaths come as Spain enters its 11th day of an unprecedented lockdown.
Noi qui avevamo già avviato la chiusura dei locali.
Het coronavirus houdt ons land in de greep. Ons en de rest van de wereld. Samen staan we voor een opgave van enorme omvang.
Without a huge national effort to halt the growth of this virus, there will come a moment when no health service in the world could possibly cope. You must stay at home.
We must stay at home, but a significant number of Londoners don't appear to be listening.
No one in my house has got symptoms, so I feel quite confident to come outside.
More aggressively, we commit to social distancing.
Saturday, I had a little low-grade fever.
Op dit moment stoppen we met handen schudden. Sorry, dat mag niet meer. Sorry. Nee. Over.
If people do not stay 2 meters apart when outside, this pandemic will be worse. And yet this was Columbia Road Flower Market in East London.
This morning, spring break gone wild despite the coronavirus.
If I get corona, I get corona. At the end of the day, I'm not going to let it stop me from partying.
Today, 335 people are confirmed to have died from coronavirus. That's 6 times more than this time last week.
The way ahead is hard, and it is still true that many lives will, sadly, be lost.
We are in a public health emergency. COVID-19 is raging throughout the world. The window of opportunity to contain a pandemic has closed, and the virus reigns on the empty streets of our cities. By now, you probably know that this crisis is evidence of an ongoing ecological breakdown, an outcome of our systemic abuse of the environment and a result of the exploitation of animals. Despite countless dedicated and selfless people working around the clock to fight the virus, the severity of the situation is rapidly escalating. Many of us know someone at risk. To us, this issue is very real. The exact situation in every country is different, but one thing is universal for us all. We are all at risk of future zoonotic diseases. This is why we, the citizens of many countries around the world,
Köln, Stockholm,
Aarhus, Bruges,
Bratislava,
Barcelona, Adelaide, Calgary,
Budapest,
Helsinki,
New York City,
Erlangen,
München,
Movenpick,
Hasselt,
Berlin,
Seattle,
Perth, London,
Amsterdam, stand together to demand that our governments
transform
the global system.
In order to significantly reduce the risk of future pandemics and to minimize the impact of ongoing climate and ecological breakdown, the world must urgently transition to a global, plant-based food system. The world must completely dismantle animal agriculture, starting with immediate abolition of factory farming. We, the humans, the animals, and the planet, need a meaningful change from a destructive economic system. We are the citizens of the world.
Wij zijn.
Wir sind.
We are.
Animal Rebellion.
It is up to our governments around the world to take the lead in this transition. This is an emergency that demands an urgent transformation. We have the knowledge and power to preempt and prevent the next emergency by acting now. And in this difficult moment, we must all stand together in the spirit of collaboration and work across borders as one planet to fight the virus and seize the day, to start building a better world and a just future for everyone.
Verandering is schwer.
Le changement n'est pas possible.
Is niet en is sложно.
Verandering is niet moeilijk.
Smelanie Teska.
Zmiana nie jest trudna.
Veränderung ist nicht schwer. Change isn't difficult. It's inevitable. Unvermeidlich.
It is inevitable.